All right, we cleaning the vinyl siding house over in Carruthersville, Missouri. By the time I picked up the phone to record, the mower's almost all the way gone. So we're going back on another light coat, and that's gonna do it. It'll be ready. All right, the way we're cleaning this right now is actually a true soft wash. We're just using real light pressure on this bottom side, and as you can see, you can stick your hand under there and they wouldn't do anything to it. Just really soft pressure. Definitely want to use soft pressure when cleaning the vinyl siding house. Don't want to damage the siding, of course, and definitely want to take care of your homeowner's property. All right, right now he's putting it on real light so that we can avoid the plants here. Want to get as little chemical as possible on these plants. You can see this mold spot right here. Just keep a little eye on this spot. Right in front of him right here. You can see the mix eating away at it. And when we come back and rinse, by the time we come back and rinse, it'll all be gone.